Perl tutorial part 20. The functions length, substring, index and rindex. The length function will tell us how long a word or string is. So let's create a string equals Thursday. Let's create a variable called length equals the function length and the string we're trying to find the length of, and let's print length. So length will tell us how many characters long our string is. So we should get the number 8. 8. We can put our string directly in between the brackets here, so this should give us the answer 6. 6. So we don't have to create the variable first, we can just plonk it straight in here if we wish. Okay, I'll just change this back. The next function, substring, allows us to get a substring of a string. So let's create a string. It was hot on Thursday. Now let's create a new variable, substring. Substring equals now the function substring, the string, and now let's type in the number 14. Let's put a full stop here. I'd like to get the word Thursday onwards and print that out. So print substring. Okay, so getting substrings is 0 based, so the character I is character 0. So let's count 0, 1, the space is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the beginning of our word Thursday is 14. So let's print this out and see what we get. Okay, we get Thursday full stop. That's good. Now continuing on from that, after we create an offset, what we can do is specify a length of characters to get. So we're going to get our substring again, offset of 14, but we're only going to get 8 characters. So this time, instead of getting from 14 onwards, including the full stop, we're just going to get the word Thursday. Okay, so yeah, Thursday. Now moving on one step again, I'd like to show you how we can use the substring function to replace a word within our string. So we can actually just apply the substring function to our string with our offset, with our length, and now we can replace the word we're getting the substring of. So we're getting from 14, position 14 for 8 characters. Now we can replace that with let's say Tuesday. And now if we print our string, we replace the word Thursday with the word Tuesday. It was hot on Tuesday. Okay, onto the function index. Now, the function index will tell us where the first occurrence of a word or the that word within another word occurs within a string. So let's create a new string there, here, and everywhere. If we create a variable index, make that equal to the function index, and we're going to apply that to our string. And so let's look for the first occurrence of the word here in the string. It can actually be the word by itself, or it can be contained within another word, as in here and here. So let us tell our program that we're looking for the word here. Okay, and let's print first here position, and then our variable index, which is a number. It's zero-based number like substring. So let's run this and see what this tells us. Okay, so this is telling us that the first here is found at position 1, which is correct because this is zero base, so the T is character 0. So yeah, position 1 is the first occurrence of here. Okay, finally on to the function rindex, which is exactly the opposite of index. Rindex will find the last occurrence of something in our string. So let's create a new variable called rindex equals rindex, the function rindex, and let's say last here is found at position rindex. Okay, so this will find the last occurrence of the word here in our string, either by itself or contained within another word. So let's count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This should give us the answer 20. So let's run this. Okay, the last here was found at position 20.